Hi everyone, welcome to week 13 of Social Work 552. I can't believe that the course is almost over. I just want to let you guys know that you're doing amazing work. Please keep up the great job. If you have any questions about your upcoming assignments, please feel free to reach out to me. So the assignment for week 13 is really simple. It's actually one of my favorites. And so what you're going to do is take a look at both your process recordings now that you have completed two, and you're kind of just going to look in that section that says the feedback, or just kind of also recall based on conversations you've had with your field instructor about your process recordings that maybe you didn't also record, about their feedback based on your process recording. So what you're going to do is identify two examples of how this feedback has enhanced your learning. So discuss ways that you have integrated this feedback and modified your practice, right? And so one of the things that I always find really interesting when students do this assignment is that they are able to accept constructive criticism and able to really reflect on some of the things that they want to do better in, and then they take it and they apply it for the second process recording, which is pretty cool. So I get to compare too. But I want you guys to reflect on your feedback, or if you feel like you don't necessarily agree with that feedback, but you were able to try it and see that things worked anyway, because sometimes we're human, we can agree to disagree. I'm interested in seeing what how the feedback has impacted your ability to work with clients, ability to persevere through challenges, your ability to remain ethical and professional in the work that we do, which can always be a sliding scale sometimes, depending on where we're placed. So I'm really interested in how you guys are doing with the feedback portion of your process recordings. Okay, so that's your assignment. That's due this Sunday by 11:59. It's 2 to 3 pages in length. So if you have any outside resources that you're using, please make sure to cite them. And I hope you guys have a great week. Bye-bye.